Warzone 2 is rumored to have a spot in the map that is based out of Medellin, Colombia. So we're gonna fly over there and see what that's gonna look like and what we can expect from the new map.
We are here in Comunas 13. This is a very popular spot here in Medellin. If there's a map here, this is for sure gonna be part of the map. This is for all my rooftop campers. Y'all see this? This is where y'all will be. Shooting down at the people who are trying to rotate, because zone is coming from that way. There's actually a lot of history in this town. Back in 2002, there was a war between the government and the cartel that happened here, and it was literally like a war zone. A lot of innocent people were killed. I think it could have been done in a better way, but unfortunately it happened. It's part of history, and it's part of why this town is able to be visited and why so many tourists come here. It's very safe. There's a lot of tour guides from here who give us the whole story of kind of how everything went down. It's just amazing to see.
What is that? Who you fighting?
We in here. As close as it gets. Behind the scenes as it gets. Shout out to our tour guide, bro. Literally. Que vista. This is so beautiful. You got the reggaeton in the background. I figured out the first jump spot. Don't tell nobody though. Entonces ese es el lado como que principal, ¿o no?
Bueno, este es el lado turístico.
Porque veo que sí hay mucha gente aquí.
Hay mucha gente de la comuna que pues se ha surgido el turismo y ha generado muchos empleos acá en la comuna 13, donde las personas como el adulto mayor, la persona con discapacidad, las mujeres embarazadas, las madres cabezas de hogar, son todos los negocios que vemos acá y resilientes de la comuna 13.
Guys, it's been confirmed. They're bringing back the train station. You better not take the wrong train because then you'll go straight into the gas. And then the train station leads you straight into the gondola. We're going into the Medallo gondola, bro. All right, guys, we're out of the mountains. We're out here more in like the city life. This would be like a downtown if this was to be a map. Look at this building. Hey, sniper campers, please, bro. Please don't be up there. Let me not catch you up there. We have a lot of coverage from the snipers up there. You could barely see the big building anymore. So this is perfect. You don't want to get sniped? You come right through here. Out of the forest, straight back into action, baby. Take the gondola up back into the mountains. Parachute all the way across the map. I see it, bro. I see it. You guys see it, right?
No!
This would officially be downtown area. Camper Central. Just buildings all across. But not tall buildings like there were in Verdansk. So not too bad. But we're literally dead smack in the middle. We found the downtown sniper tower. I had hope. I really did.
Todo sapo que había en el barrio se moría. Cuando eso le pase, en ese tiempo, no estoy hablando acá.
En ese tiempo
Cuando eso le tocó a él. Cuando eso le
Se
tocó
escuchaba
a él.
cualquier rumor, oiga, por cualquier rumor. Ah, que fulano dijo esto, Perano dijo aquello. Por la tarde ya estaba muerto.
Por sapo.
Va a pasar a una amiguita mía.
Usted no podía decir nada. ¿Que quién lo mató y se lo vio? No, yo no sé. Un infarto. Los otros sí lo
Plata o plomo. Ustedes eligen.